Hey guys, I appreciate you tuning in for this episode of the Mental Minute. Today I'm going to be talking about finding fulfillment and use personal experiences from me so that hopefully that you can find your own fulfillment in life. You know, in what I say is pre-JPB, which prior to Jared's Probiotics and starting this business, I was a money manager. I did that for a long time. And my fulfillment, the way that I made a living, is basically just numbers on a paper. And so when I started Jared's Probiotics, I realized that for me, I had to find fulfillment in actually creating a physical product. And so my advice is to you is that if you're at that stage in your life where you don't feel like that you're contributing much, or maybe that you're wondering where your space is in life, learn to work with your hands. Do something with your hands. Knit, garden, paint, draw, but learn to use these hands so that you can actually see something physical in your efforts. And I promise you, your mental state will improve 100%.